Hello. In the last video, we learned about how to use sum as a formula or as a function to add up buyers' total sales for the week. We can also do other mathematical operations using Excel. Mathematical operations like subtract, like multiplication, and division. So let's say that we want to subtract buyer sales for Monday from his sales from Friday. So we have equal to again. All formulas are called with an equal to buyer sales on Monday minus buyer sales on Friday. And then we have 5,000. Subtraction D6, the buyer sales on Monday, minus DH6, buyer sales on Friday. And then we have 5,000. You can also carry out multiplication by assuming, okay, we want to multiply buyer sales on Wednesday by 2, which is equal to buyer sales on Wednesday multiplied by 2. Once we press enter, you have 10,000. We might also want to carry out division by multiplying the total sales, buyer's total sales for the week, by the number of days he worked. That will also give us the average sales for the week. That means buyer's average sales for the week. You can say equal to total sales divided by the number of sales he worked. He worked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5 days. We have 18,000 there. Now, we can also find average and do many other things. For example, we can come here, insert, and we look for inserting a function. Okay, yeah, we come to formula, and we have different formula. We have sum here, whatever we want to do, sum, average, count, maximum, minimum, anything we want to do, we can get there here. We have some recently used function by me. We have financial functions. We have logical functions. We have text functions. We have a whole lot of functions on Excel. Depending on what you want to do, you might take out some time to, in your free time, you can check through to see what those functions are actually used for. And that is it on that. Okay, so let's move on to filter. Now, a filter actually is used in Excel to better visualize our data. There are some times we have a data, let's say a month's worth of data, but you only want to work on a particular week within that data. You can use filter to section your data to extract that 1 week's data, that particular week's data from the whole month's data without having to delete the whole data. Okay, let's take this table for example. You have this, and we just want to see branch 1's data, like supervisor and outlets in branch 1. So what we do here is we have to click on any cell in the header of the table. Then we come here, you can see this funnel-like icon here. Then you have filter. Click on filter, you can see the drop down showed here immediately. So we want to filter by branch 1. Branch 1 is on location column, therefore we filter by column. We just want to unselect every other one, then select the branch we want to visualize per time. Branch 1, then we press OK. You can see James is the supervisor, while Samco Limited is the outlet James supervises. Philip, as a supervisor, supervises Geraldine store. So you can see that we have been able to use filter to visualize, to view just data from branch 1. This does not mean that the other branches, the data for the other branches has been deleted. They are still well within this sheet. We can later bring them by clearing filter from location. So you can see all of them again. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video.